On Best Choice, we take popular digital paper tablets like the ReMarkable 2 Essentials bundle and ask a simple question. Is this really worth your money or just a pretty productivity toy? Maybe you are tired of juggling spiral notebooks, loose meeting notes, sticky reminders, and documents scattered across apps that you never open again. Your ideas feel fragmented instead of focused. Now imagine one ultra-thin tablet with a surface that actually feels like paper, where you can capture every thought, sketch, and document in one calm, distraction-free space. In this video, we are going to see if this bundle truly gives you that paper-like focus you have been looking for.
This product matters right now because so much of your work and study is digital, but your brain still thinks best when things feel tangible and simple. The ReMarkable 2 Essentials bundle is built to sit in the middle of those two worlds. It gives you a 10.3-inch black and white e-ink display that feels like writing on real paper, paired with a slim leather folio and a premium pen with a built-in eraser, so you can carry a whole desk of notebooks in something thinner than most tablets. It is a strong fit if you are a student who rewrites notes to really learn them, a professional who spends the day reviewing documents and sketching ideas, or a creator who likes to think on a blank page without the pull of notifications. It also makes sense if you are trying to build a more focused, intentional workflow and you like the idea of separating deep work from entertainment. On the other hand, if what you really want is a full-color entertainment tablet for games, video streaming, and a huge app store, this is not built for that. It is a dedicated writing and reading tool first, not a general-purpose media device. Picture a typical day for a remote worker. In the morning, they open the tablet and outline their priorities for the day in a fresh notebook. During a call, they import a PDF brief, underline key lines, and handwrite questions in the margin. In the afternoon, they convert those handwritten notes into typed text to share with their team. Everything is sorted into folders with tags, so they can quickly jump back to a project without digging through piles of paper or random screenshots. The pen feels natural, the page has just enough resistance to feel like paper, and the leather folio lets them toss it into a bag without worry. The main benefits show up in how it feels to use. There is no app store full of social media or games, so when you open it, you are there to think, not to scroll. The battery can last many days of regular use, which means you are not constantly hunting for a charger. You can write directly on PDFs, organize notebooks, and convert handwriting to text so your ideas do not die in a stack of messy pages. At the same time, there are honest downsides. The display is black and white, so you will not get bright colored diagrams or flashy layouts. And the focused software means fewer customization options than a full tablet, which some people will find limiting at first. Maybe you're thinking this is just an expensive notebook that you will stop using after a week. That is a fair concern. The difference is that this notebook can back up your work, search your handwritten pages, and keep your personal, school, and work projects separated but still in one place. Compared with cheap paper pads, you're trading disposability for long-term organization. Compared with a regular tablet full of apps, you are giving up distraction in exchange for deep focus. If you want a device that encourages you to slow down, think clearly, and keep your written life in order, this Essentials bundle is designed exactly for that use case. If this sounds like the kind of practical upgrade you've been looking for, you'll find a link to the ReMarkable 2 Essentials bundle in the description below. Take a minute to check the details, read more reviews, and see if it fits your needs on Amazon. In the end, this tablet is not trying to replace your laptop, your phone, and your television all at once. It is built to replace the messy stack of notebooks, loose printouts, and scattered ideas that slow you down. If you want a thin, focused device that feels like writing on real paper, helps you organize documents and notes, and gives you a quiet space to think away from constant alerts, the ReMarkable 2 Essentials bundle is a very strong candidate. If you are mainly chasing bright screens, casual apps, and entertainment, you will be happier with a different kind of tablet. Think about how you actually want your day to feel. Do you want more mental space, fewer distractions, and a single home for your written thoughts? Or are you fine living inside regular apps all day? Share in the comments how you are currently taking notes and whether a digital paper tablet like this would fit into your routine. If this breakdown from Best Choice helped you see the pros and cons more clearly, consider subscribing for more honest looks at tools that can make your work and study life more focused. Thanks for watching, and I hope your next note-taking upgrade truly supports the way you think.